Hey YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff, and this is the on-foot review for Nike SB Dunk Deconstructed. So, shall we watch it? Go! Hey, that was fun, wasn't it? And what an amazing shoe. I'm sure you can well agree with me that that is a superb shoe. Just the detailing there. Anyway, we'll have another quick spin around it. It was a rather superb shoe. Oh, hello. Paper attacking me there. Right, let's just get rid of that box. But, right, so you've seen the shoe in black, and it's a stunner, isn't it, Sneaker Cam? Yes, it is. But what I thought would be interesting, what I really thought would be interesting, I've got another pair. Yeah, we don't talk about this pair very much, but we've got another pair. So let's have a look at them side by side. We haven't done this. Oh, look at them. Look at them. You can tell this is vaguely live recorded. I don't really know quite what's going on. So anyway, SJ, Sneaker Cam, feast your lens. In fact, why don't we do this? Feast your lens on that. Camera 2, I've not forgotten you. Oh, look at them. Are they not stunning? Right, let's put this down. Put that down there. Sneaker Cam is getting some sexy shots. Sexy shots. I love these shoes so much. I've actually been wearing them to work this week. I've been taking them in my bag and only been wearing them in the office. That's right, Sneaker Cam. I've literally become that sad where I don't want them to touch concrete ever. Get touched by dirt and the mold and moss that exists in the UK. So I carry them in my bag. I should really get a little felt bag for them to protect them always, because I love them that much. But back to you, camera 1. You're not getting any love tonight. Look at these. Like, look at them side by side. Absolutely amazing. The quality of leather on both shoes is phenomenal. It's out of this world. I think the only thing that lets these shoes down is the laces. They should have gone with more of a deconstructed flat lace, I think, and this would have been the most perfect shoe. I'm nearly tempted, camera 2, to actually get some additional laces just for these shoes. They are, without doubt, my most favorite pickup, even beyond the Lewis Marnell, which I love, but these have got more thumbs than a 8-armed octopus with extra hands. They are so good. They're the best dunk that Nike have done for years, hands down. Let me know in the comments if you believe that's the case, and give us a thumbs up for this video if you like what we're trying to do here. Just to remind you, camera 2, we upload on Tuesdays, we upload on Thursdays, and of course we do streaming Sundays. So if you've not joined us for streaming Sundays, it's where we have sneaker chat, sneaker news, check out what's on the foot for that day, and occasionally we'll unbox. If you like that kind of thing, subscribe, and don't forget, as always, the notification bell. Until next time, people, see ya!